Hi guys, Excel can be very powerful, but it is only powerful if we know how to use it as accountants. Let me show you a quick tip which we often face in accounting. You are in June. You want to know the year-to-date June budget. You don't necessarily have to go and add each line column by column. There's a simple formula you can use through the power of sum and another function called offset. Let's look at it quickly. You have sum. We said we are adding from where, then we use offset. The offset allows you to make reference to a group of sales and it's dynamic. So I would say from January, which is my constant column in this situation, then the row. For now, let's forget about why I'm using these things. I will tell you those later in the class. Then I'm going to put my dynamic number which changes here. Then I close my offset, close this other one too. Here we are showing ref because there's no number here. You put 6 here, it gives you June year to date budget. So if I make this reference constant, I can quickly drag this thing all the way to the bottom. Anytime I change this into 4, everything changes. Change it to 6, everything changes. So this make it dynamic. You can see the power of Excel is knowing how to use 2 or 3 functions together to get what you want. Thank you.